As you can see, I have already explained observable with observer, right? So we can skip observable with observer because here we have multiple emission of data. So I will remove this one and we will go for single and single observer first. So let's create one single observable. Let's name it as single observable, and we will use single, and we will use just operator to create one value. As you can see, I cannot add multiple values in the single. You have to add only just one value. Now I have created single observable. Now I will create single observer. It is anonymous class. Now this is a type of string, so we'll pass string. Now we have to implement methods. So as you can see, there are only three methods that got override, right? The first one is success, the second one is on subscribe, and third one is on error. So as per our PPT, as you can see, single observer consumes only single value or an error. So in our case, whether we will get this method invoked or this method invoked, and this will be invoked when you subscribe. So let's log here also. This will be called as on success and data will be T. Let's now copy the same and we will write as on subscribe, and we will save this subscription. We have to remove this one. Now copy again, we will paste here and we will call it as on error, and here we can see the error. So now we have single observable and single observer. Now we have to connect these both observable and observer, and we will write single observer, and we need to map this to uppercase. So map and data will be modified to uppercase. We will use local as English, and then we will subscribe, and in the subscribe we have to pass the single observer. Now we will run this code and we will see. So let's remove older one. Let's run. So now as you can see, there are two methods invoked. First one is on subscribe and the second one is on success, and we have our data modified to uppercase. So that's how single works. Let's experiment on error method also. So for that one we need to generate some error. What we will do, we will remove this hello world and we will send empty string. And while mapping, what we will do, we will convert this empty string to int, and then again we will convert this into to string. So now this should throw an exception because this is empty string and you can't convert into to int, right? So let's run this and see. As you can see, on error got called but string is showing empty. It should show exception. Okay, we have to remove this localize and then we have to run again. I will delete this one. As you can see, on subscribe called, and on error you got the exception number format exception for input string. So that's how single works. Let's implement complete observer and observable. I will remove these one also. Let's create completable observable, and we will use completable. And as you can see, just method is not there for completable, right? Because in just what we do, we emits the data, but in completable we don't have any data. We focus on task completion rather than data. So in that case we will use complete method. So this will execute complete. Now let's create our observer. And it is anonymous class. Now there are 3 method overridden. As you can see, so as per our PPT, so let's add this subscription to container. Let's log this one as on subscribe. Let's copy this one, paste in on complete, change the log to on complete again, copy this one, paste it in on error, change log to on error. Now we have our observable and observer. Now let's connect them. So completable, observable. Now we don't have any data, so we will not use any operator. We will simply subscribe, and in the subscribe we will use completable observer. Now we will hit the run. Let's open the logcat. So as you can see, only 2 methods invoked. The first one is on subscribe and the second one is on complete. So let's invoke error also. So we'll use error, and that one we can throw an exception that will be called this is some internal exception, right? And we will again run, and we will remove these logs also. Okay, on error is not printing. Okay, we haven't include eObject. Now we will run again. So as you can see, on subscribe got invoked and the on error got invoked, and the exception is this is some internal exception. So that is how completable works. Let's go for the last one, which is maybe observer. So I will again remove all this. So for that one we will create one maybe observable, and in that one we will use maybe. And as you can see, in maybe whether we can have data or we cannot have data, right? So we can use just, or we can use empty. So let's use just first. So in that one we will use hello from Androchef, and we will create maybe observer. It is anonymous class. It will override some method, and we have to pass the type. So it is type of string. So as you can see, there are 4 method overridden. First one is on success, which have the data. Second one is on complete. Third one is as usual on subscribe, and the fourth one is on error. So let's quickly add the logs. Now we have a maybe observable and maybe observer. Now we will connect these two. So maybe observable, and we will map, and now we will use the same map operator. And we will use English as local default. Now we will subscribe, and that one we will pass the observer, and the last thing we have save the subscription. So that is also got finished. Now we will run again. Let's remove earlier logs, and now let's see. So as you can see, there are two methods got invoked, on subscribe and on success. On complete is not here. Why? Because on complete will be called if there is no data and still you have to execute the happy path, so then it will be called. So as per the PPT, you can see this may or may not consume a value. So if data will be there, it will call on success. If data will be not there, it will call on complete. So let's test that one also. So instead of just, what we will do, we will pass empty, right? And this will be type of string. Now let's clear earlier logs and now run again. So in this case, you will have on subscribe and on complete. So as you can see, this is on subscribe and this is on complete. Now we have pretty much covered all the observables and observer except flowable, because flowable is come under advanced topics. So we will be talking about flowable in upcoming videos. So that's it for today's video. I hope you understood some of the basics of RxJava. If you have understand till now RxJava, you have almost covered 40% of the RxJava, or you can say 50% of the RxJava. Now in the upcoming videos, we have to only use these operators. So these are the main heroes in RxJava, all the operators. So how you manipulate your data. So in the next video, we are going to see that RxJava marble diagram, how should we use it, and they are very good at explaining. So let's end this video. If you got some information in your bag from me by following all these tutorials, so please hit the subscribe button. That gives me motivation to upload more videos in the future. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.